Do you want to create a logo using an online AI tool? Here's how you can do it. First, open your browser and visit this website. Click on the Sign In button. Now, enter your email and password to create an account.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song.
Next, check your email and enter the OTP you received for verification. Once verified, you can start generating AI logos instantly. You'll only get 3 credits per account, so use them wisely.
Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your